Hello, welcome to Maths class. Today let us have some problems based on volume and surface area. Already you have learned how to find the volume of a cube and cuboid, how to find the surface area of a cube and cuboid, how to convert different units from one unit to other unit. Already you have learned in the last class. And today let us solve some problems based on volume and surface area. Your first problem is, how many boxes of length 5 cm, breadth 3 cm and height 2 cm can be packed in a carton of length 25 cm, breadth 15 cm and height 10 cm. A carton is of rectangular cuboid. Okay, a carton is in the shape of a cuboid. Length, breadth and height of the carton are given to us. And length, breadth and height of boxes are given to us. How many boxes can be placed in that carton, we have to find out. So what we have to do is, lengthwise how many boxes can be kept, breadthwise how many boxes can be kept, height-wise how many boxes can be kept. Let us find separately first, then let us multiply the number of boxes can be kept on the whole. Okay? Let me solve and show you. So what is given is, dimensions of the carton are given, then all length of a carton, breadth of a carton and all given. Length of a carton is 25 cm, its breadth is 15 cm, its height is 10 cm. Same way, length, breadth and height of the boxes are given to us. Length of a box is 5 cm, its breadth is 3 cm, its height is 2 cm. Whenever we solve the problems, whatever is given, we have to write in the form of statements. Okay, carton's length, breadth and height, box length, breadth, height, I have written the form of statements. Now, number of boxes can be kept lengthwise, breadthwise, height-wise. Let us find. Number of boxes can be kept lengthwise means length of the carton 25 cm, length of the carton 25 cm, like that, and length of the box is 5 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm, like that we can keep by 5. So number of boxes can be kept lengthwise is 5. Now let me find number of boxes can be kept breadthwise. Can be kept breadthwise. That means what we have to do is, breadth of the carton divided by breadth of the box. Breadth of the carton is 15 cm divided by length of breadth of the box is 3 cm. Again 5. Now let us find how many boxes can be kept height wise. Number of boxes can be kept height wise equal to, height of the carton is 2 cm, height of the carton is 10 cm divided by height of the box is 2 cm, that is 5. So lengthwise we can keep 5, breadthwise we can keep 5, height-wise we can keep 5. Therefore, total how many boxes we can keep in the carton, if we want to find, we have to multiply these. This side 5, this side 5 and height-wise 5. So all this when we multiply, we get total number of boxes can be kept in a carton. Therefore, number of boxes can be kept in the carton is equal to, let us multiply all this. 5 5 into 5 into 5. That gives you 125. So total 125 boxes can be kept in a carton. Okay? Now we'll have one more problem. So your second question is, a cubical petrol tin has dimensions of 20 cm by 16 cm by 14 cm. What is the total surface area of a sheet of tin required to make 12 such tins? That means a tin is of cuboidal shape, length, breadth and height of the tin are given to us. We have to find the total surface area of the tin sheet required to make one tin. After finding that, we have to find what is the surface area of the sheet of tin required to make 12 tins. Okay? So let me do and show you that. Dimensions of a tin is equal to 20 cm by 16 cm by 14 cm. We write into, but we have to read as by. Okay? So length, breadth and height of the tin sheet are given to us. So this we have to take as length, breadth and height. So let us find the total surface area of the tin. Total surface area is equal to 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. That is equal to 2 into L is 20, H is 14, B is 16, H is 14, L is 20, B is 16. This gives you the total surface area of the sheet required to make a tin. Total surface area of the tin, okay, 2 into 0, 14 to the 28, 14 6 are 84, 4 8 carrying, 14 1 are 14 8 22, and here 0 320. That gives you 2 into 4, 2 to 4, 4 8 12 to 1 carrying, 4 to 6 to 8. This gives you 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 meters square. Sorry, centimeters square. All these are in cm. So total surface area of the tin we can write of the tin. That means the area of the sheet required to make one tin is this much. And how much area of the sheet is required to make 12 tins we have to find out. In order to find that, we have to multiply this by 12. Therefore, area of sheet required to make 12 tins is equal to 1648 into 12. That gives you 12 8 are 96, 6, 9 carrying, 12 4 are 48, 48 plus 9, 50, 57, 5 carrying, 12 6 are 72, 5, 77, 7 carrying, 12 1 12, 7, 19. So 19,776 centimeters square of area of the sheet is required. But we know that 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeters square. It is more than 10,000. So let us convert it in the form of meter square. So divided by 10,000, if we do, we get 1.9776 meters square. So area of sheet required to make 12 tins is 1.9776 meters square. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.